Actually, I actually have to close the door here because electricity is a bitch.
Look, man, I see your problem here.
What?
You gotta assemble your PC before it starts working.
Hi, how are you? It be me. I have no sleep. My mind's still waking up. Wait, what the fuck am I saying? Alright, hey everybody, what is up? It is Stan the Man. Welcome back to another Stan the Man video. Next to me I have the Lord Dankerton. Now the context of this video is, as I mentioned before, I know nothing of PC building, and Lord Dankerton is here to help me out, build this monstrosity.
I know slightly bit more than he does.
Yay! So what do we got here?
We have a motherboard, apparently from the brand of Gigabyte. B450M DS3H, capable of running a Ryzen build.
This is the processor. Here it is.
Good job, you found it.
I'm gonna have so much fun editing this.
First step is you take this baby out. Take out its book. This is really important, this part right here. Because I'm fucking blind as fuck.
Okay.
Which is why I have glasses, and what I gotta do is when I'm done there, I gotta assemble the wires from that case. I gotta see these pins over here?
Yeah.
That's the hardest part, in my fucking opinion.
So what happens if you connect the wrong wires? Is it
Nothing happens.
Oh, alright.
It just doesn't turn on, and you're just sitting there like, oh, I'm kind of stupid.
I was thinking I was gonna explode or some shit.
No, that'd be fucking hilarious, man.
No, it would be
I wouldn't be alive right now.
No, I'll look at it like this way. I'm gonna make a bombing ass PC, or I'll die. Both are equally good options.
You know what? Worth the risk. Hey, you know what? My PC came out great.
PC came out great.
Boom! So normally I'd be doing this with gloves and stuff.
I don't
No. There's specific gloves for this kind of shit.
Oh, like those not polyethylene, like those silk gloves that people wear.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Oh my god. This actually looks a lot cooler than I expected.
Okay, so it's not as complicated as you think.
Okay.
Usually the first step is the CPU.
Mm.
There's usually a little arrow or camera, like pull out the CPU. Carefully.
So this tiny thing is basically like the powerhouse of the computer.
Basically.
Alright.
The most important part. It comes with stickers.
You serious?
Yeah.
Like legit stickers.
It comes with AMD stickers. The stickers are the best part. I'm not kidding. Oh.
Like, do you put them like on the processor, or that's like a general no-no?
That was slap.
So this is the fan. I assume, yeah, that's the fan.
Now, here's one thing that might upset you.
Okay.
If you don't, okay, so when I bought mine, it came with a thermite paste.
Oh, thermal paste.
Yeah, thermal
Yes.
paste. Thermite sounds extremely explosive. Never mind. I would need to put a dollop on this.
Okay.
And then I put it there.
Ooh, and we actually need that.
Yeah, mine came with it.
Where is it in here, maybe?
Maybe.
Because it doesn't say like on the box what's in here. Hang on, does it? This box includes installation, limited warranty, instructions, and doesn't say. Code name, advanced.
Your stickers are here.
There are stickers in there. Oh crap.
Okay, well the most important part is here.
Okay, hopefully this
Actually, I just remembered.
paste.
AMD fans come with thermal paste already attached to it.
Oh.
You lucky fucker.
Oh, it's the fan. Should I pull it out? Should I wait for a little bit?
You may pull it out if you feel confident.
I never feel. It looks like I pulled it. It looks like I pulled this shit straight out of Iron Man's suit.
This is hard.
And
Go on.
I pulled out. It's still beating hard. Now I'm not.
Hold your processor.
I'm not trying. I'm like afraid of breaking something because I have okay, I have the finesse of a drunk elephant.
Yeah, that's thermal paste.
Oh, sweet. All right.
It's already on there.
Okay.
We replace it every year. And yeah, it's basically this one too. You inject like a dollop and this squish it in there.
All right.
Okay.
Well, does it have to be like replaced every so often or?
Every year.
Every year. All right. I'm gonna say okay.
Let's go on with my favorite part.
I know, this I know, this I kind of know because I heard my brother's woes about this. So apparently this thing has like a bunch of like golden pins at the bottom, and if you
Do not touch them.
If you bend one, you are royally screwed.
I'd slap you.
Oh, okay, that's good to know. And I assume that's where you put the RAM?
Correct.
All right.
You just do this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now you're ready to put in your CPU.
I'm gonna let you do that.
See that?
Okay.
Little arrow.
Oh shit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Look for an arrow here. Give it away.
Yeah, there it is. I see it.
A little arrow. Like that bitch there. Fell right in perfectly.
Ta-da!
And we're in business.
It would have been like so disappointing if this shit just suddenly did.
Yeah,
That's
I've been
like-
doing this for way too long.
This
And
is-
now we put the sticker on.
Okay, no. I'm gonna leave the sticker. I'm gonna just put the sticker here. I don't
Okay.
trust you with the sticker.
This one is one of the last steps.
That's your IO shield. I know this.
Wow.
I feel.
The land of make-believe.
Okay, so I assume you need a RAM.
Correcto. But you have to trick yourself into thinking that this bitch can take a good pressing. Gigabyte likes to do this dumbass shit
Okay.
where some motherboards demand that you color match or that you have to put them side by side.
Oh, so you can't like put two next to each other. You have to like.
No, you have to go one here and one there.
Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks.
Okay, so CPU. I just gotta install the fan.
We have Tony Stark's heart. So it might be like a good idea for me to buy like some kind of tool, have like some kind of a toolkit with like screws and stuff like
That
that.
would be very handy. I mean, any man could use it.
No, I just have like one. I just have like the one Phillips screwdriver I use for everything. No, but everybody I know is like, no, you gotta build it yourself, man. You know, get that experience. You want to feel the pain. Like, no, I don't. I'd rather not.
I've been doing this way too long. In fact, I streamed doing this.
Ooh.
That's how confident I am.
You wanna plug your Twitch channel?
I streamed on YouTube.
Alright,
It's just, it's Lord Dankerton if you're interested.
If you want this nice
No, so you want me to put it back? You fucking stupid.
Are you talking to me or the motherboard?
No, I like to argue with myself.
Ah,
And then insult myself.
like Geralt.
Geralt,
Thinking out loud helps me focus.
Winifredmere.
Evil is evilism here.
I choose not to choose.
Fuck. Hey, but look at the bright side. There's gonna be a whole new league of gamer girls out there, my dude.
Yeah, but for how long? Most of them are broke. Very cynical.
Well, there's this thing called OnlyFans.
Oh my god. You're right. Actually, here's the funny part. I've actually had more income because of, not because of OnlyFans, but because there are more girls who
Want to build a gaming PC?
Correct.
Yeah, that's
and
good.
like seeing a girl pour oil over an engine. Yeah, they call me the
Now,
that's just a joke. It's not meant.
keep in mind, we're not trying to be sexist here, okay?
No,
I
it's
believe
just a joke.
I believe that all genders are just worthless.
Although I've seen that video and Jesus Christ, it's a fucking clip-on.
It is. So we don't even. So we don't need to like screw this into anything. It just
Made it
flips
too
right on.
complicated.
All right.
Now, here's the hardest part of my job.
Yes.
I have the thickest fucking fingers. And just like that.
That's it.
That's it.
Holy shit! All right. Oh, now I know.
Pretty solid. Wow. Ryzen outdid themselves with how easy this is. Alright, that's done.
All right. That's
now
the
we get the
motherboard.
case.
Okay. And when I when you send me like a list of recommendations, like I try to research like your latest and one. And so far, this one, the only downside to them is the fan placement. But the fact people were just gushing about the fact that the screws are already pre-installed. So
Yeah,
like,
dude.
I'm like, all right, cool. I'm gonna take this.
The best part is it's oh, these don't come off either. That's even better. So this is like perfect. They're like, you don't lose it.
Like, hey, I actually made somewhat of an educated choice. Like, should be worried about static. I heard like that was a problem.
Yeah, definitely. But I kind of made sure this gonna sound wrong. I discharged myself before. It even has zip ties.
Are you serious?
It's a fucking high value.
Don't be like us. And no, this was like the cheapest of 3 ricks.
Is the case called a booklet?
Yes. I have it somewhere in here. Alright, so good news, I know the booklet is in here. Bad news, I don't know exactly where. I thought it was in this cabinet, but it's not. No, it's not in my bed. Oh my god. Don't worry about this, it's the actual box for the box. Where the fuck did I put the booklet? I know it's here somewhere. What the fuck? This is why I don't like cleaning my room. Ever since I got here, I made it like a point to actually clean the room like twice a week. And in doing so, I think I might have accidentally thrown it away.
Now here's the best part. Just picking it up like this.
You could just grab it. You could just grab it by the fan.
Yeah, that's the whole point. Boy, come here with the light.
Boy. Like, and coincidentally, I like started replaying God of War.
Hey, that's a fun game.
It is, but I don't know like why. I just got hit with a sudden urge.
I love the IO shield.
Yeah, the IO shield.
Please note that when you have a graphics card, these don't work.
Sorry?
These don't work.
These don't work.
You don't use them unless you had an APU.
Alright. What's an APU?
APU is basically a CPU with integrated graphics.
Okay.
Which is why laptops are possible.
Oh.
Gaming laptops.
Ah, alright. IO shield, good sir. If your fingers get caught in that, it does seem a bit painful.
It reminds me of that scene from Saw.
Yeah, like with the glass.
The lady, it's like, oh, my one arm got stuck. Maybe my second arm won't get stuck.
Oh fuck.
Nice.
What the fuck?
No, I don't need that. You're gonna tactically assault me now?
What the fuck was that? I feel like you ever like helped your dad out with like the car engine? You're just like holding the flashlight. I'm getting like heavy vibes.
Would you like me to scream at you for authenticity?
Oh yeah.
Can you fucking? Does that feel right to you?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, all the nostalgic memories.
God, can't you do this?
Wanna see banana mucho?
I never had a father. No, seriously, I didn't grow up with my dad. So
Oh crap.
I didn't get that.
Oh,
It's good. It's a good thing.
Oh, alright. Like not even like not or like an uncle or like any kind of like male paternal figure.
I had a cat.
I had a cat.
Well, it all started out in black and white, as any anime. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. So what happened to what's his name again? The guy who made Content Cop.
Oh, turned into a simp apparently. Because his girlfriend made an OnlyFans
Yes.
and kind of ruined that for him. His image of toughness.
Alright. But I never like took part in like when it comes to like a lot of those internet controversies, but that seems to be like the direction, sadly, the direction that YouTube is heading into. I don't know.
You know what? Look, I'm not personally a fan of the idea of my girlfriend getting an OnlyFans, but you know, his girlfriend got one, and you know, I know that my girlfriend's not that kind of person, and his girlfriend is. And he's like, you know what, that's fine, that's your body. And he's supportive. You see,
like while he was in the car and he's like sadly nodding.
Ian gets her clout.
Divorces 20 years ago stay together for the kids. Divorces now stay together for the clout.
I mean, his fans, let's be fair, they were never nice. Have you seen his unboxings?
Nah.
They sent him oil slick ass looking motherfucking dildos. Now pass me the graphics.
Alright, RTX 2070. Ew. It's a lot bigger than it's a lot chunkier than I expected.
That's what she said.
Holy shit, this thing's huge! Damn, it feels so big in my hands. I can make it worse. It's girthy. Get a load of this thick boy. Alright, I'll stop. Oh god, no.
Challenge accepted. Builds the PC now.
Strobe light.